When you're out in the field, nothing beats a pocket-sized notebook.
But it's impossible to find your old notes.
What is this, something Darwin wrote in?
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
There's your outtake.
I think we're done.
Is that a sign that we should call it?
We just got kicked out of Staples.
Hold on, just roll though. Let's just do like a quick run.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
So let's take turns calling like where we are, right? So it's like,
There's a dinosaur behind us.
okay, you got the first one.
Oh, dinosaur behind us! Whoa! And maybe a ball like Indiana Jones.
Oh, did we just end up on a ski slope? Whoa! Whoa! Here comes a jump. Watch out! Oh. Oh, I love surfing in Hawaii, huh? Whoa!
Hanging ten.
Oh, we lost gravity again.
Roller coaster.
Leo, more roller coaster.
Oh god.
All right.